waiting for Slinky Dog to come by so I can get the shot. I turned the camera on a little early. And Haley is freaking out over there about the connects and the dinosaurs
I don't want to
and
make a
everything.
big deal out of this, but I need some
Toy Story
help,
Land is a
and
lot of fun.
I'm getting the feeling everyone is stringing me along.
Hey. Oh, look at look at that!
Videoception! We did the Fast Pass line last time we were in here, so I didn't get to appreciate all the details in the line. Since we're in the line now for over an hour, we can appreciate some of the finer details. Hey, are you trying to vlog while I'm trying to vlog? I'm trying to vlog right now. You stop.
No, 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 you stop.
We're in Andy's backyard.
We're in Andy's backyard.
That's my second or third cousin. I don't know if y'all saw, but the fence over there is huge because it's like we're in Andy's backyard and we're little tiny characters. So,
Booyah.
Size of Iron Man.
it's pretty awesome.
You ready to dash around in this backyard? Oh, okay, back down. Hey, Cody, you look too. It's Rex. Oh, here we go.
The start?
Let's see if Penny.
That wasn't the start? We're going that way.
Here we go.
Dude, I want one in my
What? You want it to be longer? I know, right?
I liked it. I thought it didn't look like it was going very fast, and then I got on it, and it was like...
Yeah. I had that same thing because we got on it and it went fast, and then I was watching it later and I was like, whoa, that looks slow compared to what it feels like.
Yeah, it's great. I like that it was like adrenaline rush, but it didn't go upside down.
Yeah. She squealed though on that first turn right there.
Oh, I'm so sorry. We are not in
Plans would come true, and I've been done my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream.